think he may have just been tasered. Shots fired! Addy 321, we have shots fired. We have one suspect down. We need him to here.
My sanity, my body, my body and spirit goes.
Please, one, we're going to need to get eastbound 36th Street door. Actually, just going to need 36th Street door shut down. That's Lewis, and then probably back off about 3 or 4 blocks to the west of there.
Is what we're up for. So I tell you, that is the coolest part about being in a band is playing live. It's not the 22 other hours, getting on. 2 hours that's on stage, and that is golden to me.
We're talking to James Hetfield from Metallica. We will have more with him in just a minute.
Adam 305, if we haven't already, start him, so.
That's where they are.